To add a checkbox in Excel, first click anywhere on the sheet to place it, then go to the top menu and click Insert, and choose Checkbox. I would incorporate checkboxes to demonstrate progress within the Excel tracker. Let's build a simple progress tracker in Excel using checkboxes and a visual bar. In Progress cell, type =rept. Type an open bracket, then double quotes, press and hold the left Alt key. Type 178 on the numeric keypad, release Alt, add another double quote, then a comma. After that, type COUNTIF, then an open bracket. Select the range of cells you want to track. Add a comma, type true, then close the bracket. Finally, close the outer bracket to complete the formula. Now, as you check each box, your progress bar will grow automatically, giving you a clear visual of how much is done. You can also change the font color to make the progress bar stand out.